guys, my name is Harji Nagi and welcome back to my channel. I'm from India, and with a simple knowledge of Arduino and voltage divider circuit, we can turn the Arduino into a digital voltmeter that can measure the input voltage using Arduino and a 16 cross 2 LCD screen display. And Arduino has a analog input pins that connects analog to digital converter inside the Arduino. The Arduino ADC is a 10-bit converter, means that the output value will range from 0 to 1023. We'll obtain this value by using the analog read function, and the voltage measure is displayed on the 16 cross 2 LCD screen, and as you can see, it displays the 4 different voltages simultaneously at the same time. So let's see how I make it. Guys, to make this project you need some basic components like 16 cross 2 LCD screen to display the voltage sources, and it can be used as a monitoring system. 50K potentiometer to adjust the contrast of LCD. Arduino Nano. The brief description is given in the previous video. Breadboard for to avoid the soldering connections. Some resistors to adjust the value of our voltages, and male-to-male jumper wires. You need actually at least 10 to 15 male-to-male jumper wires for this project. A power bank as a voltage source. So guys, let's make it. Here's a schematic diagram. In this diagram they have used Arduino Mega, but I'm using Arduino Nano, but there will be no change in the code and the circuit. So simply apply the same schematic diagram. And to increase the voltage parameter, you must have to increase the analog pins. After the connections, the device look like this, and as you can see, it doesn't displays anything, so you have to adjust the potentiometer, and as you can see, it displays 4 different voltage parameters: V1, V2, V3, V4. So these values have to be adjusted by installing different value resistors. Now it's time to place some voltage sources. So I'm using different batteries. This one is a 5-volt battery, and this one is 9-volt, and I'm also using a solar panel. And this system can not only used for the only voltmeter, it can also be used in a monitoring system. So let's begin. So guys, first source I will connect solar panel. It's a 5-volt solar panel and produces 16-volt maximum voltage. I'm making this video inside house, so obviously the voltage may vary. The negative pin of the solar panel is connected to the ground, and the positive pin of solar panel is connected to the R1 resistor pin of analog. So before connection, the V1 is 0.39, and after the connection, the V1 changes to 5.32. Now the next source will be 5-volt battery. The negative pin will be connected to the ground, and the positive pin will be connected to the analog pin 2 of R3. So let's connect. As you can see, before connection the voltage is 0.54, and after connection the voltage changes to 3.74. Now the next source will be high power 9-volt battery, and again the negative pin will be connected to the ground, and the positive pin will be connected to the analog pin 3 of R2. So let's connect. You need a cap, so just simply place, connect negative pin to the ground and positive pin to the resistor, analog pin 2. So before connection the V4 is 0.790, and after connection the V4 changes to 7.640. Now as the next voltage source, again I'm using HW 9-volt battery. Connections are again same, the negative pin to the ground and the positive pin to the analog. Now before connection the voltage V3 is 0.746, and after connection the voltage changes to 9.856. Obviously the value is error, so this value can be adjusted by installing the resistor of different values. So I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.